How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to another episode of SpeedTech Spotlight. In this episode, we're going to go over our new MultiColor K-Force linear mini bars. So here I brought our MultiColor K-Force Micro 14, and I brought an amber clear and a green clear, for example. Here is our MultiColor K-Force 18 linear. And then over here is our MultiColor K-Force Micro 21 linear and our MultiColor K-Force 27 linear. So we'll go ahead and start with our K-Force Micro 14 linear here. And again, I brought an amber clear unit, for example. So you'll notice on our multicolor units that the colors flash back and forth between color A and color B. And we do offer these light bars in amber, red, blue, green, and clear in multicolor. And we even have our Customize a Light Bar tool if you need a custom color setup for your vehicle. And then you'll see with using the SIG plug on our K-Force Micro 14 and 18 here, you have your on-off switch with your LED indicator, and then you have your flash pattern changer here, so you can cycle through your different flash patterns, and all of these light bars have multiple flash patterns programmed in them. And then you can find a pattern you'd like, and then you have memory recall on this unit, so you can shut your light bar off and back on, and it'll remember the last pattern it was on. And again, this is our MultiColor K-Force Micro 14 in amber clear. So let's go ahead and go over our K-Force Micro 14 linear in green clear. So go ahead and get it hooked up to power here. So again, here is our MultiColor K-Force Micro 14 linear in green clear. And again, you'll see the colors flashing back and forth between color A and color B. So color A is green and color B is clear on this unit. So next up, we have our MultiColor K-Force 18 linear. So go ahead and turn that one on here. And I brought our MultiColor K-Force 18 linear in a red-blue color setup. Let me go ahead and get it hooked up to power here. So this is our MultiColor K-Force 18 linear in red-blue, so color A is red and color B is blue, and it's flashing back and forth between those two colors. And I actually have this light bar set on one of our new combo patterns that you'll find in the flash pattern sequence. And again, check out our flash pattern videos to see all of the flash patterns that are included with these units. So here I brought our MultiColor K-Force Micro 21 linear in our red, blue, amber color configuration. And then behind that light bar is our MultiColor K-Force 27 linear. Now both of these light bars will use our optional grand control, which you'll see as an option on the drop-down menu. And on the grand control, you'll use a SIG plug for power, and you'll have an aux line where you can hook up any additional lights that you have to this switch box as well. So you'll have your power button, you have your pattern changer, and I do have this light bar set on one of our new combo flash patterns, as you'll see here. And then you can change your patterns here, and then this light bar has memory recall, so you can shut your light bar off and back on, and it will remember the last pattern it was on. And then you also have your alley button here, where you can access your two steady burn alley lights by turning your alley switch on, and then when you turn that off, those modules will go back to flashing with the light bar in their multicolor mode. Now another really cool feature on our multicolor mini bars is you have the ability to run your primary colors or your secondary colors independently, or your unit in multicolor with the built-in flash patterns. So for example, on my red, blue, amber tricolor setup, I'm in one of my multicolor flash patterns here, but if I cycle through my patterns, you'll see I'll have 4 patterns in my primary color and 4 patterns in my secondary color. Now for example, on my red, blue, amber tricolor configuration, my primary colors are red, blue, so I'll have 4 patterns in red, blue here. And then after these patterns, I'll have 4 patterns in my secondary color. And again, my secondary color on this unit is amber, so I'll have 4 amber flash patterns here. And then once I get through these patterns, I'll be back into my multicolor flash patterns. So you can easily run emergency or warning with the built-in flash patterns, and you can do that with any color combination or even with our Customize a Light Bar tool if you need a custom color setup for your vehicle. Now finally, I have our MultiColor K-Force 27 linear here, and I brought a red, blue, clear tricolor configuration. And again, the K-Force 27 will use our optional grand control, where you'll have your power button, you have your pattern changer so you can get set on a pattern you'd like. You also have memory recall, so you can shut your light bar off and back on, and it'll remember the last pattern it was on. And then finally, on your alley lights here, if you have a clear color combination, the alley lights will go steady burn clear when you activate them, because the alley lights will always activate the secondary color of your multicolor bar. Now, say you don't have a light bar with clear as the secondary color, you will see clear alleys as an option in the drop-down menu, and with that option, you'll have clear as the secondary color for your alley lights. So that covers our new MultiColor K-Force linear mini bars. Make sure to check out our interactive players and also watch our flash pattern videos and product demos for full product demonstrations of all of these. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.